We are continuing our journey with supplementary angles. So again, we want to make sure that we know supplementary or angles that add up to be 180. So again, I'm just going to put this over here. Supplementary equals 180 degrees. Okay. Supplementary straight angles, right? They will start at S. So they're the straight angles that are adding up to a straight line, which is 180 degrees, which means we have 138 plus this is going to add up to be this angle plus this angle, which gets us our straight line, right? So these we're going to have to do algebraically. It's 6 or y plus 67, right? Plus the 138 in the other angle equals 180. And again, we're always going to be using don't call me after midnight when we're solving multi-step equations. So there's no distribution. Combining like terms, meaning what can we combine on either side of the equal sign? So we're going to combine this right here. Again, make sure you take the signs with it. So you're going to have 67 plus 138, which is 205. That's positive, so that's why I put the plus there, equals 180. And then there's no variables on both sides, so I'm not moving a smaller variable, and then I'm getting rid of addition or subtraction. So to get rid of 205, I have to do the opposite. And again, anytime we go across the equal sign, we're doing the opposite. So that gets us y equals 180 minus 205 equals negative 25. It says the image below, find the requested values. So it wants to find the measure of MBH. So we have to go back here and really pay attention to what it wants us to look at. So it wants the measurement of MBH. It wants the measurement of this angle. So that means we're taking this negative 25, substituting it in here. So negative 25 plus 67 is going to get us 42. So our answer is going to be 42. Okay. So again, make sure you understand the don't call me after midnight. It's just solving multi-step equations. And then pay attention to what it's asking. It wants you to solve for the measurements, so we have to substitute. And then down here, it says, what is the value of y? Again, I don't know why they do that backwards. You would think that they would do that first, but it was 25. Okay, let's look at another one. So again, these are going to be supplementary angles. They're adding up to 180. So we're going to take the two angle measure information and add them together. So 5h plus 86 plus 74 equals 180. And it's a multi-step equation, so that's don't call me after midnight. I have no distributive property. Combining like terms is right here. So 86 and 74 is 160. And it's positive, so that's why it's the plus. So we combined, we don't have any moving smaller variables. There's not variables on both sides. And then we're getting rid of addition or subtraction. So to get rid of addition, we're going to subtract. That leaves us 5h equals 180 minus 160, which is 20. And then we're going to divide by 5 because now we're down here, multiply or divide. And that gets us h equals 4. Again, it wants KCD, so KCD is this one. So we're going to substitute that for 5 times 4 plus 86. 5 times 4 is 20. And 20 plus 86 equals 106. So this should be 106. And the value of h was 4. All right, let's do one more. Again, it's going to add up to be 180. So we have 4r plus 140 equals 180. And this is just a two-step equation. So you can still use don't call me after midnight if you would like. But it's a two-step equation. So hopefully, you know, we're starting right here. There's no distribution. There's no combining like terms. I can't put those together. There's no moving smaller variables because there's only one. And we're going to get rid of addition or subtraction. So that gets us 4r equals 40, and then divide by 4. That's the midnight part. So R equals 10. And it wants to know the measurement of MCD. So MCD is this one here. So 4 times 10 gets us 40. So the measure of that angle is 40 degrees. And the variable was 10. Okay. So hopefully that helps. If you need any suggestions or you need some help, just schedule a time and we'll meet up.